Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV, and if you are new here, hello, how's everyone doing? We are about to do some deep cleaning. We are at the new place. Today's video is moving vlog episode 8, and I am here with Miss Ariana. Hey. So anyways, y'all, if y'all haven't seen the other video right before this one, when I showed the new place, they got a lot of dead bugs in here and it's very disgusting, and that bathroom needs some cleaning. So we are here to deep clean the house today before we move in tomorrow. I got some cleaning supplies that I'm gonna show you guys that I got from the old place, and we got some snacks. With that being said, I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, share this video, and let's get started. I got our broom from the other house. I put everything in this basket. I got this basket from somewhere. I don't remember, sorry. Oh, Walmart, that's where I got this basket from. These are the cleaning supplies that I got. Let me go ahead and lay them out because I cannot do this. We got the scrub free total bathroom cleaner. Got some awesome, this Wizard air freshener, glass cleaner. This is the scrubber. Then we got this small dustpan just in case I gotta get into little spaces. We got the sponge, disinfectant spray, handheld vacuum, trash bag. For the upstairs bathroom, the light was blinking, so I got these light bulbs, Comet cleanser, 2 towels to wipe down everything. But yeah, that's what we got. We got some snacks right here. Stopped at Dollar Tree. Got a few snacks to eat. You ready?
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Got my tripod so I can set y'all up. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and get started. I just want to show y'all all the dead bugs that they left in here. Look at this, a fly here, fly there. And all these black spots on the carpet are dead flies. Let me take y'all into the dining room. Like, all this stuff, they did not sweep the floor, clearly. Look at this, nasty, very nasty. And then when you move the blinds out the way, you see, this is what we need to clean up. Spider webs all in the creases of all the corners. In here, underneath the cabinet, we got a sweep under here, got spider webs. So what the fuck is really going on, y'all? Why does this toilet look like this? It looked like cement or something is in the damn toilet. And then this damn tub, I hope I can get this shit clean, because what is going on? what the sink and stuff is looking like. I cannot clean this toilet until I get my toilet brush from home. So when we move in tomorrow, I'm gonna have to clean the heck out of this toilet because that is trifling. And I tried my best, but I think the tub needs some CLR because none of this is coming out. It's like in the creases of the tub. So I don't know, but I did clean it. It's just, I don't know. They were filthy. Whoever was here was filthy. Turn off that light. And then this is the sink area in the mirror. I swept the floors. And I swept the kids' room and my bedroom. And I got the bugs out the window sill. Oops, sorry, y'all. I got the bugs out the window sill. So now, oh, hell no.
Sorry.
Oh, you did that?
Yeah.
I'm like, it's time to go with this motherfucker. Now we just gotta go downstairs and do the same thing to the living room and the dining room. All right, you guys, so we are finally done deep cleaning the house. I feel like I need to do like maybe a second cleaning, and then we gotta mop the floors when we come tomorrow and try to get those bugs out of the patio. Besides that, I need to clean these toilets. I need my toilet brush immediately because the downstairs toilet looked the same as the upstairs and I did not know it. But we will do all of that tomorrow once we get this moving truck and get our things in the place. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, I sprayed down all of the doors with disinfectant spray, and I wiped all the counters down with some cleaning supply and everything. So the only thing we need to do is probably mop these floors, clean the toilets, and I might do like an extra little cleaning because I don't feel right after seeing everything that I saw today. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone you know, and I will see you guys in the next one.